C12, Unit 8, Extinguishing System. Extinguishing System. An extinguishing system is a system used to detect, control, and extinguish fire automatically or manually using different extinguishing agents, such as water, foam, gas, powder, or chemicals. Carbon dioxide installation. A CO2 installation is a fixed fire extinguishing system that uses carbon dioxide gas to extinguish fire by reducing the oxygen level around the fire. It is mainly used for electrical fires, flammable liquid fires, enclosed space with valuable equipment. Working principle. CO2 extinguishes fire by 1. Displacing oxygen around the fire. 2. Cooling effect during gas discharge. When oxygen concentration falls below the required level, combustion stops. Gas stored in cylinder. In a CO2 fire extinguisher installation, the carbon dioxide gas is stored in cylinder in liquid form under high pressure. Storage condition. Storage pressure about 50-60 bar at normal temperature. Cylinders are made of strong, seamless steel. Cylinders are usually painted gray or red according to standards. CO2 is stored as liquid because large quantity can be stored in small space, easy transportation and discharge, connect rapidly into gas during release. Carbon dioxide flooding system. This is designed in engine rooms, boiler room, pump room, control room, electrical supply room/switchboard, machinery, and enclosed spaces. It consists of a battery of a large number of CO2 bottles under pressure. Bottles are connected in parallel by pipelines to discharge together into the common distributor. Pipelines and compartment are fitted with diffuser nozzles. 2 master bottles are provided, which are operated manually to discharge the main CO2 cylinders. The system releases a large quantity of CO2 gas into the protected room or enclosure. The gas displaces oxygen, smothers the fire, and stops combustion. When oxygen level drops below the required combustion level, the fire is extinguished. Preparation for operating CO2 flooding system. 1. Raise alarm to evacuate the compartment. 2. All machinery operating in the place of fire are to be stopped. 3. Electrical supply is to be switched off. 4. Ventilation and exhaust blowers are to be stopped and fire dampers to be closed. 5. Make sure that no person is left inside the compartment where CO2 is going to be released. 6. Obtain consent from the officer in charge/safety officer prior to releasing CO2 to the compartment on fire. Seal the compartment as much as possible to eliminating air prior to release of CO2. Gas stored in refrigerated tanks. The gas is stored in a refrigerated tank at the temperature of 180 degrees and at a pressure of about 20 bars. The tank is connected by suitable pipework to the discharge nozzle in the protected space. Operation of the system is usually triggered by the use of a suitable automatic fire detection system. When it operates, a distribution valve is automatically opened for a predetermined period, allowing sufficient gas to be released to totally flood the protected space, and then automatically closes. General consideration: the volume of the space, the nature of the hazard, whether the hazard is enclosed or not, whether fire is likely to spread from one compartment to another, the change of fire recurring in more than one space at a time. Lock-off device. Every installation must be provided with means of immobilizing the equipment. Provision is usually made to lock off the automatic future, completely immobilize the installation. Indicating and alarm devices. Automatic visual warning using a system of colored indicator lights is usually provided to indicate 1. Manual control, 2. Automatic control, 3. Carbon dioxide discharged. Purpose: detect fire condition, give warning signal, indicate fire location, help safe evacuation, inform firefighting team. Other automatic devices. 1. Operate door closing devices. 2. Close opening and ventilating ducts. 3. Switch off ventilating ducts. 4. Operate fire curtains. General safety precautions. Warning and alarm system. Evacuation safety. Oxygen deficiency hazard. Time delay system. Ventilation after discharge. Cylinder safety. Powder installation. A dry powder installation consists of specially designed pipework and discharge nozzles covering the protected risk, the pipework being linked to the powder container. When a fire occurs, it is necessary to exert pressure on the powder so that it is forced through the pipework and discharge nozzles. The carbon dioxide released ejects the powder. Powder can be used on various flammable liquids, flammable gases, oil-filled equipment, and combustible solids where the fire is the surface. Special powder, such as TEC, have been developed to deal with metal fires. Inert gas installation is a fixed fire extinguishing system that uses inert gases to extinguish fire by reducing oxygen concentration in the protected area without leaving any residue. Reducing oxygen level below the combustion limit, diluting air in the protected space, stopping the chemical reaction of fire. Questions. 1. Define extinguishing system. 2. Write the installation of carbon dioxide. 3. Explain gas stored in cylinder. 4. Write the preparation for operating CO2 flooding system. 5. Write the lock-off device. 6. Write the general safety precautions. 7. Explain powder installation. 8. Explain inert gas installation. Zion International Safety College, WCC Nagarkoil. Contact 90808 65511.